Can we see following of private Instagram account? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see if we can see the following list of private Instagram account or not. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're here, tap on the search icon at the bottom of this interface and in the search bar, search for the account. As you can see, this account is private, so you cannot see their following list. So unfortunately, Instagram does not allow you to view the following list of private account unless you are approved as a follower by the account owner. Instagram has a strict privacy controls to protect user information, and there is no any legitimate tool, website or any other application that will help you see the list of following of a private Instagram account. So in that case, what you can do is you can simply send a follow request. If they accept it, you will be able to see their followers and who they follow. Also, sometimes you can get a rough idea by seeing who you both follow or interact with. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.